Welcome to the Specialty Products Company Sourcebook and Website Training Seminar. In this video, we'll discuss tips and tricks for the SPC Sourcebook and website. We'll show you how to use the industry's most complete guide for all your wheel alignment applications, parts, tools, and tech information. For over 40 years, Specialty Products Company has been designing, testing, and manufacturing world-class alignment and suspension solutions. If you have any questions about Specialty Products replacement parts or tools, or need help with alignment questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-525-6505, or you can email us at training@specprod.com. Let's begin this seminar by talking about the SPC Sourcebook. Starting out on the inside front cover is the first place to look to see a wide assortment of new alignment parts and tools. Look for the new logo throughout the Sourcebook, highlighting the latest alignment technology and applications. The tech support customer service toll-free number and website address are displayed on every page of the Sourcebook. On the Table of Contents page, see the color-coded tabs from Applications, Alignment Parts, Heavy Duty, OE Replacement, Racing and Builders, Tools, Brakes and CV, and a general index. When you see the green tool icon next to a part in the Sourcebook, it means there's a special tool available to assist you in the installation of that part. Scan the QR code next to your part with your smartphone and watch the installation or information video about that part. Do you notice we don't call it a catalog? That's because the Sourcebook is much more than a catalog. It has invaluable information to help your shop and your customers. Check out the 5-step tutorial on how to sell a proper alignment or the training resources page. Get the information you need to keep your technicians trained and up to date. After that is 3 pages of alignment terms and definitions with illustrated angles. Use these pages to help your customers understand their need for an alignment repair. How do you use the Sourcebook to look up applications? First, go to the Application section and find your vehicle make, model, and year, and then verify drive type. In the green section, applications will be listed for the rear camber and rear toe. Then the page number those parts will be located on. Associated tool part numbers will be listed in green, and the page number will be listed in green. If the part number is in bold type, that indicates the preferred solution for that fix. The brown section is for front camber and caster, and then the page number where the part is located. NA means there's no adjustment available. OEMA means that there is an original equipment manufacturer adjustment. If there's a part number in the box with OEMA, then that part number is a replacement part for that vehicle. An asterisk next to the part number means that it's a series part number, and we'll go to the part number page for the part number of the correct size. In the column between the green section and the brown section indicates leaf spring vehicles that are able to use the thrust alignment plate. A red square indicates that the vehicle can be repaired if the thrust angle or rear axle needs to be adjusted. Check to see if there's a footnote located with the part number. The footnote key is located on the last page of the application section. Let's check out the alignment part section of the Sourcebook, starting with the offset bushing page. Remember, an asterisk means it's a series part. Let's look at the 23180 series. There are 15 part numbers in this series, from a 0-degree sleeve to a 3.5-degree offset sleeve. Select the sleeve and part number for the amount of caster and camber change you need. Check the illustration at the beginning of the section to help you clock or position the sleeve to get the correct amount of alignment change. The light truck section shows replacement caster and camber cam kits for pickup trucks that make alignments easier and more accurate. Some applications need more adjustment than the OEM adjuster will allow. Replacing the upper control arm ball joint with an adjustable one will keep a lifted or modified truck within specification. Because lifting and lowering trucks are a popular modification, there's a complete section of adjustable control arms that we expand every year. Check out our adjustable control arms for Toyota, Nissan, Lexus, Ford, and General Motors trucks. Many cars don't have adjustments for rear camber or tow. Here are some examples of adjustable arms to correct tow. And here are some arms to adjust rear camber. Check out our new performance kit for the S550 Ford Mustang. These lightweight T6 aluminum forged arms are ideal for track setup and optimized tire contact. Full contact dual angle shims are designed to adjust rear camber and tow together. They come in just a few sizes and fit many vehicle applications. Front-wheel drive cars with rear beam axles have no provision for rear alignment. Using full contact shim fixes this problem. They have a maximum range of 1.5 degrees of change for either camber or tow, or any combination. Each shim comes with a detailed instruction sheet that illustrates proper installation. Some axle hubs need individual size shims for better fitment. We offer many styles of alignment shims that provide accurate correction. Front-wheel drive vehicles that feature a non-adjustable 2-bolt strut are easily aligned with the SPC Easy Cams. An easy fix for camber issues and a perfect combination sail for any strut job. There are no special tools or grinding when installed with a magnetic camber gauge, and you will actually save time doing the alignment while making more money. These top-selling camber adjusters are packaged in pairs. External offset cams are used for alignment adjustments for many vehicles. SPC offers the most complete coverage available for passenger cars, trucks, minivans, and SUVs. Our performance alignment parts continue to expand every year at Specialty Products Company. These innovative adjustable arms are used for street or performance enthusiasts. Check out the control arms for our Nissan, Porsche, Audi, or GM muscle cars. We recommend at least 2 SPC Sourcebooks per store, one on the front counter for the sales staff and another for the alignment machine for easy reference for the techs. If you would like to order a Sourcebook for your shop or be put on the mailing list when a new Sourcebook is printed, just call our customer service at 1-800-525-6505. Let's continue and talk about the SPC website. The Specialty Products website is second to none in the automotive alignment world. Let's look up an application for a 2012 Honda Accord. We will select regions like US, Europe, Mexico, Asia, Australia, then the year, make, model, then press select. The application page will appear with your model, submodel, and year for each vehicle in the blue section. The green section will be the rear of the vehicle, featuring rear camber and rear tow, plus any tools that are available to help with that repair. The brown section will be the front of the vehicle. Any parts for caster or camber, along with any tools that are available, will be in this section. In this example, a replacement adjustment upper ball joint is available for this application. When the cursor hovers over the part number, it reveals a picture of that part. When we click on that part number, the product page will appear. The product page will have a picture and description of the part with a line drawing of how the part looks as a repaired assembly. Look over here at the upper right-hand corner. When you click the red button, the instructions will pop up in a new tab. The blue icon is a link for FAQs, or frequently asked questions, common questions specifically asked for that application. When you scroll down to the product page, if there's a video available, the video will be shown here. Click on the play icon to watch the video. Back to the home page, our newest service is the Certified Installer Program. This helps customers locate a reliable shop in their area and help them with their alignment and suspension needs. How does your shop become a certified installer? Well, it's easy. Number 1, take our free training course located in the Certified Installer page of our website. Number 2, pass the Certified Installer test. Number 3, after you pass the test, send us your technician credentials, such as school, state, or ASC certification, and we'll post your shop on the SPC website for customers to locate. We will also send your shop a banner that you can hang on the wall and a window sticker that you can put on the front door of your shop. Another area of interest on our website is the Knowledge Center. When you hover over the Knowledge Center tab, you'll get a drop-down box and a load of information at your fingertips. Let's take a look at 3 of these areas: Training, SPC TV, and Frequently Asked Questions. Clicking on the Training tab, you'll discover information about our individual online training, as well as our hands-on, in-house, and on-site training. Scroll down for information about our field clinics we conduct in your neighborhood throughout the whole world. The SPC TV tab reveals a comprehensive list of all the videos we have produced. Starting at the top are video tech tips, then a quick video guide listing the videos by part number, and with a section on the right column listing videos by topic. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you'll find some videos that are produced for Italian and Vietnamese language. The FAQ section is arranged by part number, vehicle, or subject. Our techs are constantly working on new and older vehicles in our shop. Let their experience save you time on the rack. Check out the articles for quick tips on general alignment problems along with SPC part-specific information. Can't find the answer to your question? Our techs can help. Use the email form to get in touch with them and get answers to your questions. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos and you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe, and check out the links in the description.